With this push-up variation, I want to make sure that when you're pushing up, you're getting full movement of the shoulder blade away from the spine. So the shoulder blade is moving away from my spine. So at the top, I'm getting that extra push. I'm not hunching and rounding, I'm just getting that extra push and letting that shoulder blade move around. This is gonna access, as long as we feel a little bit of pressure downwards, access that serratus, which wraps around our ribcage and helps to stabilize the scapula, the shoulder blade. So how's this gonna work? You could do this flat hands. So if you're on an elevated surface, you're doing an elevated push-up, or off the wall, you're just gonna do this regularly. Regardless, you could add a block because I wanna add a little extra height to this push-up. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go down into a push-up. I'm gonna press myself up. So this right hand is gonna press extra more, push a little bit more, try to keep my shoulders and hips still square to the floor, and tap the opposite shoulder, and then lower myself down. So press myself up, tap the opposite shoulder, get that extra separation, and lower myself down. If you don't feel comfortable having to balance yourself with the block, that's perfectly fine. Some people enjoy just a small step or a plate. If you've got wrist issues, or this version sounds a little bit more stable, we're gonna make sure that your knuckles point to the floor. So we're not gonna do this. We're not gonna flex the wrist like this. We're gonna put those knuckles to the floor. So exact same thing. Hey, down, up extra, and tap. So down, up, extra, and tap. Everything's still square to the floor.